Robotics company PowerVision was looking for a drone design that is friendly and approachable and not intimidating to anyone, and the result is the PowerEgg. When closed up, it looks like a giant shiny white egg, roughly the size of a rugby ball. Press a button to drop its legs, pull up each of its 4 propeller arms and it's transformed into, well, a flying egg. A 4.6 pound, 2 kg, one at that. Under a cap on the bottom is the PowerEgg's 4K resolution camera on a 3-axis motorized gimbal that, once flying, is completely unobstructed and can rotate 360 degrees. The quad's visual positioning system is then also uncovered, to assist with indoor flying up to 13 feet, 4 meters, above the ground when flying outside. The drone relies on GPS to keep it stable and to assist with a handful of automated shooting modes. Follow Me tracks the moves of the controller, another orbits a subject, one does waypoint navigation, and one does selfies. Those things aren't unique to the PowerEgg, but the drone's controller is. PowerVision made it modular by breaking out the flight processor and base station into a separate unit. Bundled with the quadcopter is a fairly typical gaming-style 2-stick controller as well as the one-handed, gesture-based PowerEgg Maestro. The Maestro basically lets you point to where you want the drone to fly and it follows. The drone is capable of delivering real-time video transmission up to 3.1 miles, 5 km, to a phone or tablet, Android or iOS. The battery, which loads vertically in the top, has a maximum flight time of approximately 23 minutes, which is disappointing but understandable given the drone's weight and size. The PowerEgg can be ordered now for $1,288, approximately $1,700 or £975, through the PowerVision site, but won't ship till October. That price gets you the drone, the Maestro and 2-stick controllers, a battery, a charger and a light-up base station that does nothing more than display your PowerEgg. If you order before the end of September you get a backpack for everything, too.